And we're back to learning Photoshop in here. Let me show you the invert adjustment layer. You can find it down here. And it's a simple one-click option, so there are no properties to adjust. Let me show you the curves, which is way better to create the same effect. And here we need the properties, so make sure if you don't see them to click on them under Window. You want to be on the icon here for the curves adjustment layer. To create the same effect, we are on the RGB channel. And then I simply invert these two curve points, and that's what the inversion actually does. So it makes the dark ones bright and the bright ones dark, and this inverts the colors. But when we do it manually using the curves, we can now adjust that. So you can simply drag this curve around, get a little bit into a detail adjustment, or even create different curve shapes, something like this. Maybe a wave. And you can already see here that this gives you way more freedom to adjust it. So it's nice to have that we have this inversion adjustment layer, but doing it manually using curves is the better option. Once again, let me reset this. It's a simple version of these 2 points. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.